Hello, my name's Leah Head, and I'm doing my Phonemic awareness lesson on rhyming. For the review, our review for our lesson from yesterday was on consonant blends, and to review, we're going to play the Go Noodle Freeze It game. It's a game where they get up and they dance, and then it goes freeze, and it asks them a question. My questions will probably be from making them tell me what the consonant blend is, what sound it makes. My purpose for this lesson is learning to recognize rhyming patterns in language, which is an essential skill for emergent readers. As students manipulate words and sounds to create simple rhymes, they become aware of their word and letter patterns, and this will help them develop decoding skills. My past lessons were focusing on consonant blends at the end of words. Today's will be writing the rhymes and pointing them out in like a book. The future will be the beginning of simple poetry, recognizing them at the end of poems, how it goes together. The motivation for today's lesson, I picked out this game. It's by Super Y on pbskids.org. It's Super Y Freeze Dance with a rhyming game in it. After we do the video and show them that they have to learn rhymes to be able to play the game, we'll start with our lesson. The first thing we're going to start with are these rhyming cards. These are really neat. It's substitution. So it's showing them to start, say the word hat, take the H away, and put an S, and what's the new word, and it will be sat. So first I'll write it on the board and we'll talk about it. The next one says, take the word sat, take away the S, and add a C. So what's the new word? Cat. I'll do these on the board mainly. There's a whole list of these, and we'll do them as a class together. It'll be orally as a whole entire class. After that, we're going to play a game I found. It's called Roll a Rhyme. Which has the thing, they'll probably play this at their desk. I'm going to laminate these on cards, and they'll have dice, and it'll say, you're going to roll the dice, and like the first one says words. Each table will have to do a different set of words, and they'll roll the dice, and it'll say, if they get a 1, it says give one word, like back or sack. And it does for ack, all, ain, ake, ill, aim, and ank words. And then I'll also give them this beginning sounds. It helps them with their consonant blends. And it also gives them ideas on what to put with these words. After they do that and they do it as a group, we'll go over them as a class to see what they'll have, like maybe 5 minutes to see how far they can get. They have to write them all down. This will also be orally or as a group, whole class. For closure, I have another worksheet called Rhyme Climb. The students will have to work individually on these worksheets or as a group, but I'd prefer them to do them individually just to see how many words they can come up with. This one is for can, so with the word family and, which is also a consonant blend. And they will write the words on the ladder, as many as they can, or as many as it'll let them. And then we'll go over them as a class. We'll see who can pick who, like I'll pick out people to tell me what word they wrote. If they get, for homework, they will have a rhyme line worksheet, which is this, and it tells them that this is the word that you're going to find a rhyme to, and they'll look across like star, and so the word that will rhyme with star is car. This will be, hopefully their parents can help them at home. If I have anyone who happens to finish early, which probably happens, they will go to a separate table, and there's a whole stack of these, and they're called rhyming robots, and they'll be cut apart and all mixed together. And if there's a bunch of them, they can all work together trying to figure out which ones go together. Like this one is a cat and a bat, and they go together. This one is a fan and a van, and they go together. So they'll work together on trying to put the puzzles together. After that, for my special needs group, they'll work with their interventionist on a special worksheet, also with their other worksheets, but basically a special one. This one does not have any words on it, so it will help with it. They don't have to feel pressured to read. They can just look at the pictures. They'll work with their interventionist. They will need some glue and some scissors. They'll have help. Like the first one is an egg. So, well, we'll skip that one. A crash, a wreck, and then they'll pick one down here that goes with it. So this will be for my people that don't know how to read and they're scared, and that will work for them. For my remediation, they can come to my special table. I'll be sitting there and they can come. And if they need extra help, I will help them. Their arrangement is called a rhyming rainbow, and I don't have a picture of it right now, but it's a cloud and it'll have rhyming rainbow written on it, and they'll select a list of words that they want to do off of their from their roll of rhyme, because they'll all have written their words out, and they will get them and they will pick 6, one for each color of the rainbow, and they'll cut construction paper and cut their things, and they'll glue them together, and it'll be a rhyming rainbow, and it'll have like can, sit, I can't rhyme, can, pan, those all the way across all strips of the paper. And that is all. Most of this is group work or whole class work, other than a few of the worksheets. And that is my lesson plan. It should take about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And this is for first grade lesson plan. Thank you.